Yeah, it's planting season right now, which means a lot of the technology that we often talk about on this program is being used in the field right now as we speak. So I paid a visit to Eagle, Wisconsin farmer Tyler Troiola, who's trying the John Deere See and Spray system on his sprayer for the first time this season. And he says it took his dealer, Sloan Implement, about a solid 2 weeks to install it on his 2018 sprayer.
It's the premium kit. So I bought it's a used John Deere sprayer. It's not new, so you can't get Ultimate on anything that's not from the factory. So it's a premium system that they added on. I think the Ultimate is the better system, but it wasn't in my budget. So we're gonna start with the premium and go from there. Well, I'm kind of hoping that it'll pay for the difference from the sprayer I traded into this sprayer. I kind of hope it'll, not in the first year, but over the depreciation schedule or the life of the sprayer, like I'm hoping that the chemical savings will pay kind of for the cost of the technology. I'm not really looking at it from a custom spraying standpoint, but more from just a farmer standpoint. If you can save X amount of dollars on your chemical every year, you should be able to apply that to the technology and invest in technology instead of invest in jugs of chemical.
And Troiola admits he's not sure how well it's going to work this season. He's going to use it on his second sprayer pass to target weeds sometime in June, and he says people from his dealership are going to have to come out and help him calibrate it before he uses it. So we'll have to check back in with Tyler sometime in June to see how it goes. In Technology Corner, I'm Noah Newman.